Less than 48 hours before the 6 post-election violence suspects arrive at The Hague to honor summons issued against them, their legal teams are burning the midnight oil, building a case against the prosecutors' evidence. Defense lawyers of two of the suspects, William Ruto and Joshua Arap Sang, held meetings with the officials from the office of the court's registrar to seek clarifications on the issues they believe would hamper their preparations. Ruto's lawyers Kindiki Kithure, Katwa Kigen and Kioko Kilukumi raised questions on some of the conditions issued against the suspects by the pre-trial chamber. Ruto has also engaged the services of a Queen's Counsel David Hooper to boost his legal team.
And it's important to note that the court declined to grant some of the conditions which the prosecutor had prayed for. But those that the court identified in the ruling, in our view, are not unreasonable, subject to certain clarifications. Because we would want to know, for example, when they say that those suspects should not meet or interfere with witnesses, it should be clear we are talking about prosecution witnesses and not defense witnesses.
The lawyers also sought clarifications on the actual proceedings on Thursday and Friday, when their clients will make initial appearance at the court and have the charges formally read out to them.
So we expect on Thursday our clients to just identify themselves before the court, for the accusations against them to be provided in summary form, and for their rights to be repeated, for the conditions attached to their freedom to be repeated, and for the setting of the hearing of the confirmation of charges, which we hope will start later in the year.
Joshua Arap Sang, one of the suspects, has made an application to have the proceedings against him conducted in Kalenjin language. Sang, a radio presenter with Kass FM, a vernacular station that broadcasts in Kalenjin language, argued that justice would only be done if his case was conducted in Kalenjin language.
We really want to convince the court that the use of the Kalenjin language, not because it is an international language, but the allegations that have been made against my client were made on words that emanated from the use of the Kalenjin language.
The court's registrar has opposed the application to have the case conducted in Kalenjin language and argued that Sang was well versed with the English language. The ICC pre-trial chamber is expected to make a ruling on the application. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Live at 9 at The Hague, Netherlands.